the inauguration of a new round of industrial revolution. Intelligent manufacturing has become the new orientation of Chinese innovation. Keeping pace with the times, XCMG Hoisting Machinery is creating new possibilities with wisdom. We never retreat in face of hardship. Innovation is the only way to get us through. We built a world-class innovation system, pooling first-class R&D resources. Extract technology essence and experts' wisdom from global equipment manufacturing. Accumulate energy in 4 major technical fields: technological intelligence, green energy saving, high quality and high performance. Forging ahead and overcoming difficulties. We have won a number of national patents and honors, created a number of original and unique core technologies, and endowed products with super operating efficiency, excellent performance value, and perfect customer experience. We are devoted to upgrading the product technical level. And every piece of equipment born in XCMG represents the technology leader's power. XCMG sets records, defines speed, and interprets altitude. We overcome countless problems, create countless legends, and become an undisputed industry benchmark. With every change, we always keep pace with the times. From digital R&D to intelligent manufacturing, XCMG Hoisting Machinery has set a benchmark for the integration and application of 5G plus industrial internet to empower the transformation and operating of the manufacturing industry. A brand new intelligent factory covering 9 production lines and 3 workshops allow XCMG Hoisting Machinery to step out by its own acceleration for innovation. Here, an overall numerical control rate of digitalization, informationization, automation, and integration exceeds 90%, and the manufacturing process is leading in the world. The linear, flexible, and information-based assembly line is advanced in the world. With perfect manufacturing and lean management, we elevate the leading level, promote the value competition, improve quality, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Our efforts set the most solid base to realize our development goal and customer value.